What's up, guys? We're back. So it's good to be back in Southern California. Some of you guys know, some of you guys do not know, but I was on a little mini vacation for a while and I missed a heat wave out here. And I was really concerned that a lot of my trees were gonna get like hit, and maybe a sprinkler might have failed or something broken on a line or something like that. So I'm definitely happy to report that everything was fine. Everything looks good. But first, as you know, we gotta stay hydrated, and this is what we're doing right here. Okay, it's beer time. Here it is, Kaleidoscope by Parliament Brewing. So I'll do a link down below, and let's open this guy up. Let's pour it, and let's see what this guy is all about. Doing this all one-handed. My other hand is recording. My professional setup, of course. All right, let's see. I'm trying to hit the edge. It's not working, but that's okay. Oh yeah. Look at that color. Oh man. This is a bad pour job. Oh. It wants to go over, but it's hanging on. This edge right there. Almost there. It's not overflowing. So this is a hazy Indian pale ale. So hazy IPA. I love IPAs, and especially hazies. It's at 6.9%. And again, Parliament Brewing up north. I'll link their website, their location in the description below. So love the design of this can, and you know, all of these owls, just awesome. The wife loves owls. We have a lot of owl stuff around the house, so really cool design. Let's try it. Okay, so that was one big gulp, and excellent, delicious. It's very easy to drink also. I mean, you know, sometimes you get IPAs that when you're drinking it, you're like, whoa, this is gonna be tough. But this is an excellent IPA, easy to drink. So I was looking on the can to see if I could figure out what type of hops was used. Don't know, it doesn't say, but doesn't matter. It's all good. And I definitely want to thank Justin for hooking me up. I mean, very generous to be able to get a awesome beer that, you know, you get a chance to try, which a lot of people do not get a chance to try. If you are local and around the area, I would definitely recommend giving it a try. This is excellent. So I'm gonna finish this and then go check out some more avocados. So this is kind of like just my little chill area, and as you know, in this little spot right here, this is a gem, and this year the gem has fruit on there, but earlier in the year we had so much fruit that I thought it was just going to be one of those epic years, but it decided to drop, I would say, the majority of the fruit. So, and I mean, there's still fruit, I mean, that's about the size right now. It's like palm size, I guess. So there's fruit in here. I mean, if you look around, there's definitely fruit. That's a good thing. We're gonna have some gem fruit. Now, I know some of you guys had the same issue where you had a lot of flowers and a lot of fruit set. And I'm kind of curious if your fruit set dropped a lot and if you still have some. So if you do have some that are still hanging on, comment down below. I'm kind of curious, especially your gem, because this year my gem did this and I was just kind of a little concerned. But you know, some of my other varieties held fruit really well, so it's all good. So let's go check out some more avocados. So this is the Don Galogli, and I see a fruit hanging still. Let's see, there's another fruit I thought I saw over here. So seems to be doing okay, nice and green still. So that's good. This is a lamb. So let's see, do we got any fruit still hanging on? Oh yeah, I see some fruit still hanging on. So still looks pretty happy here. That's good. These are seedlings. We'll see what we're gonna do with those. Let's see what SC Gold looks like. Kind of curious. Still green, which is good. I mean, this thing's a beast. Do we have any fruit? Let's see. I'm looking around. I see some. Let me go around the other way. Okay, I'm in the shade. It's hot. Here's one fruit. Here's more fruit. More fruit. So we got some fruit still hanging on. That's great. I was really worried. I thought we were gonna lose a lot of fruit. And this is the bacon. Bacon is holding lots of fruit. This is about the size. There's more. There's bigger ones. So, and this year it is loaded. Don't know if you can see it, but it's kind of bright out here. So bacon's doing good. Lots of fruit on there. At least 200. That's my guess. The reed holding fruit still. So that's good. There's a cluster right there. Cool. Let's go check out some more stuff. Okay, here's my Gwen fruit for next year's harvest. I still got maybe 1 or 2 fruit on there. So I wanted to show you guys this. This is my reed avocado. This is the last reed that was on the tree that I picked. And it's gonna ripen and I'm gonna enjoy this guy. But I believe that reeds are good right now, and they were good a while back when I had them. So this should be even better right now. Anyways, stay hydrated, you guys. We'll talk later. See ya. Bye.